ADWORC stands for Arkansas Delta Workforce Opportunities for Rural Communities. This is a grant that is funded through the Department of Labor. And so we work with people that have recently been incarcerated, people that are in poverty, people that have been dislocated for work, and we equip them with the skills that they need in order to be successful in the manufacturing field. Therefore, whenever they enter the workforce, they will already know some of the basic skills that the employers are needing in order to fill the jobs in high demand. When they first started, they're kind of lost. Most of them come, they don't have a job, they're not sure where to look. Most of them come in and they just need help. And so over these last 5 weeks, I have seen them eager to grow, eager to learn. They're asking questions. Their skill set is definitely much better than it was when they first came in. We're able to set them up with jobs to get them back into the workforce. They're able to provide for their families now. And so that's the growth that I've seen within the last 5 weeks of our ADWORC program.
Well, I just want to say congratulations to each one of the ADWORC participants for completing the ADWORC program. This is a very exciting day for each of you to be able to look back and say that you made it through this journey with ASU Newport and this program. There's been a lot of people that's come to play to be able to get you to this point in graduating from the program, and we're very excited for that. We're very excited for each of you that have overcome those personal challenges in your life to get you through to this point, and we're very excited for you to be able to go to work and to make a better living and to make a better future for yourself in the field of manufacturing. Congratulations again, and we wish you all the best.
I am honored to be asked to celebrate with you today. ASU Newport's mission states we will provide an accessible, affordable, quality education that transforms the lives of our students, enriches our communities, and strengthens the regional economy. ADWORC is a great example of our mission in action, and I congratulate each of you on being the first to complete this program. Your determination, hard work, and accomplishments have paved the way for many future ADWORC students. Education is something that can never be taken from you. I hope you will all continue learning throughout your life journey. The industry-recognized certifications in CPR, OSHA 10, and forklifts are the foundational skills which have or will lead you to jobs with great potential. This is just the start of your success. I congratulate you for taking the next step in your career pathway and hope you will make the most of it, realizing it is just the start of great things to follow. I hope you will keep learning and keep aspiring for everything you deserve. You have shown that you have the strength and determination to follow your dreams and fulfill your potential. Never, ever stop believing in the most important person in your life, you. Again, congratulations.
My name is William Gatlin. I am a 2020 participant in the ADWORC program at the ASU Newport Jonesboro campus. The ADWORC program has meant a lot to me. From the very beginning, I have felt welcome in the modern facilities that the campus has to offer. It has been a privilege to work with some of the best instructors and faculty that has made it fun and exciting to learn new skills and training. I have developed new contacts in the area and has made my transition to Jonesboro a very welcoming experience thus far. The ADWORC program has really brought out the very best in me. I cannot say enough about the ADWORC program manager, Marcus Woodson. Marcus has kept the program structured and made it seamless to understand and develop each and every week. He has given us every opportunity to grow as individuals and develop the skills that are necessary to stay relevant in the challenging work environment that we currently face. Some of the topics that we have covered include the effective use of hand and power tools, workplace problem solving, ethical decision making, along with knowing employee expectations. My interviewing skills comprise some of the most up-to-date material on how we construct a cover letter and resume to answering those questions that are most tailored to the particular job that we're applying for. The certifications that I have obtained are now my OSHA 10 certification, my National Career Readiness Certificate, along with the very valuable CPR certification. Mark has helped me create a top-notch resume and a brand that will showcase the skills that I will use in my current workplace, yet it opens up the opportunity for me to expand my horizons should I ever decide to leave my current career path. I have never felt more confident that I was doing the right thing by continuing my training, developing my skill set, and making myself more marketable to potential employers. I have nothing but the highest gratitude to everyone in the ADWORC program and look forward to the opportunities that lie ahead of me. Thank you.